True clinical clarity requires advanced illumination that eliminates shadows without compromising patient comfort. Introducing the Flight Surgical Light, an advanced lighting system engineered to bring unmatched visibility to your operation. Unlike traditional circular patterned surgical lights that scatter illumination into the patient's eyes, our advanced optics cast a precise, crisp rectangular pattern. This focuses the entire high-intensity beam directly inside the oral cavity. Powered by 20 state-of-the-art LED bulbs, it delivers up to an incredible 80,000 lux of intense light. The integrated touchpad grants you seamless adjustment control over both color temperature and intensity to match any procedure perfectly. To preserve strict sterile fields, it features advanced proximity sensors for complete hands-free control. It is the ultimate illumination solution for oral surgeons, implant specialists, and complex surgical procedures. Light your path with absolute precision.